is 6 o'clock on a Monday night, and I've decided that I'm going to start making sourdough. This is my first time trying anything like this. I'm almost 30 now, so I think it's about time. That's hot. Naturally, I've looked up a few videos. One lady said that you should eyeball it, and the other lady said you should measure it. Honey, guess which one I'm gonna do? Eyeball. She says it's the only way to learn how to do it correctly. I have a little itty bitty mason jar here because that's all I have. I don't have any materials to make bread at the moment, so we're gonna start with the starter because that takes like 2 weeks apparently, and then I'm gonna buy all the stuff in the process that you apparently need to make sourdough. She said like 2 scoops. We're gonna eyeball it. Okay, now I'm gonna pause my video and rewatch hers. My water is still too hot, I feel like. Sticking my finger in it multiple times is not gonna make it change, so I'm gonna put it in the fridge again. So this is about how much flour I put in there. About 2 heaping spoonfuls. I really sent it by getting the Costco bag of flour. I'm prepared, I'm ready. Other than having all the supplies I need, I'm so ready. It's still not room temperature, but we're gonna go for it. That much water. Definitely still dry as the Sahara, so. I gotta watch the video again. I think it needs like a tiny bit more. I really dirtied the sides of the jar though. Does that matter? We've got our lid. And we're just gonna set it on there. Not tight at all. So they say, no tightness. It may be a little bit premature, but let's name it. This is our new sourdough starter. What should we name it?
It talks?
No. But we gotta give it a name.
Stitch.
Just because you're watching Stitch?
Yeah.
You sure? Yeah. Okay. Stitch it is. Day 2. Show you what you're working with. Oh. Hi. Okay, guys. Here's my starter. I don't know. We're gonna feed it. We're gonna feed Stitch.
Yay!
Yay! I can't tell you how many videos have started popping up on my feed. All sourdough videos. The government is watching us. We're gonna do it again. Same thing, says the lady. 1, 2. We add our warm water. It's really sticky. Oh, it smells. Get aggressive with it. Show it who's boss. You're supposed to stir it.
Really hard?
Yep. I don't like you watching me, actually. So if you'd like to start your own starter, you can do that. I think I need more flour. I think I put too much water in. Watch the video. It's definitely a little too thin, so we're gonna add some more flour in. I think just a little bit. Just a tiny bit. I feel like that looks good. What do you think, Ezra? How does Stitch look?
Good.
Good?
I'm gonna eat them.
Oh, no. This is not good for you to eat.
Why?
I have to make bread out of it.
Then I'll eat it.
Then you'll eat it all up.
Okay, Mom. I understand.
There he is. All the people on the internet have women starters. But you...
Put bread in there?
No, this is the beginnings of bread.
Oh, where's bread?
It's gonna take a while. It's day 3 and I still haven't bought any of the materials I need to make sourdough. If this doubles, then it will exceed my jar, so I need to discard for the first time. I discarded a little over half, and now I'm gonna put a little rubber band around the jar. It's now time to feed Stitch. Again, I'm just kind of eyeballing it. Warm filtered water. I just spilled most of it. This is not going well. It's making weird noises. It needs some more water, but not much. So I'm going to use this. It looks so weird. So like spider webby. What do we think? I think it needs a little bit more water. So stinky. I think that looks like a good consistency. Make sure my little rubber band is at the right level. There he is. Day 3.